All right, so let's go ahead and talk about C3.AI. Give you all the updated price prediction. Will we look for price to run to, let's say $41, $45, or could we go below 25? Let's talk, because the last prediction we did in C3 was here in November, looking for price to go up. It did hit ultimate TP price on December the 9th, which garnered what, 25% there. Cool. Now let's go ahead and clean up this chart a little bit. So we could get rid of this pocket of selling there. And this pocket of selling actually held, but the buyers were able to hit it at the very top of the pocket. So we can actually get rid of that now. It is now invalidated, and we can create a new one though. Okay, so the sellers are still pretty much there, even though the buyers did not completely break out that previous pocket. Now let's get rid of this here. And we're currently still trending bullish in C3. Great. This area right here is showing to be a location where buyers are at. And we appreciate those buyers holding price there, because it lets us know that this was a opportunity to buy the stock. People won't buy a stock if they think they won't win. If they think they cannot garner a profit, they won't buy it. So look at all these days that C3 was trading here. Someone thinks that they will get a profit. If they didn't think that, then the market would not maintain this pocket of buying around $34. The market would have continued to go lower in price, but it didn't do that. Now, let's look at C3 on the 2. You guys can see here on the last printed 2-day bar, we got a signal of a buy, which confirms that people were buying in that pocket. Here it is on the 3. It'll be great to see in the next 7 hours and 4 minutes the market in C3 close at the high of this bar right here. That would be fantastic. Here it is on the 4. C3 on the 5. The weekly. Look at the week. All of this weakness and selling that occurred on the week of December the 16th. And then again on December the 23rd, even though the volume is light, even though the price bar spread is small, the market in C3 still went up. So someone is here buying this stock. Look at this one, even here on this 2 weeks. The idea was for price to go down in the next 2 weeks, but instead it went up and it closed up there at the high of the bar. Here it is on the 3, C3 on the 5, and then for the month of December. Now, let me talk about this though. Okay, because look at December. Yeah. Let's not think that we're out the woods to see these sellers though, because that monthly bar for December is definitely weak. Okay. So yeah, we can see the initial stages of people trying to buy the stock, but those sellers are still lurking in the background, willing to hit the market as soon as it reaches a certain price. It might be $40 before those sellers re-engage and begin to sell and move the market back down. So let's be careful though, because that market is still hinting that sellers could be here, right in this area. So I'm just saying, be careful. So let me go back to the daily, because I am going to anticipate higher prices in C3, but take a look at this. That's a pocket of selling right there. So as we look for market in C3 to go higher, we need to be cautious and careful and say, look, we might need to take the bag right there, that pocket, because people were selling the stock here. Someone was selling the stock right there on the 19th of December. Market ended down almost 11%. So what if they did get finished selling their stock? What do you think is going to happen when we hit the market back in that pocket? Yeah, you'll expect more selling to hit. Now, if the demand is greater, then this pocket won't be a problem. We'll see price continue to run up to the next pocket. But if the selling is stronger than what the people willing to buy the stock is, then the market will get rejected and we'll see the price come back down. All right. So that's going to be a target for us. At the low, it's around 5.5%. At the high of that pocket is around 8.6. I'm sorry, 8.44, $39.85. Then we're going to drop another target up here, the next pocket of selling at the low, which is at $42.89. All right. That will give us around 16.71% there. And that's it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profits. And as always, trade different.